Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In the business day now, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has announced measures to reduce the cost of borrowing for members. The Executive Board reached consensus on reforms of charges, surcharges and commitment fees at a time of high global interest rates. The reform package is expected to lower IMF borrowing costs for members by about $1.2 billion annually and reduce payments on the margin of charges and surcharges on average by 36%. The IMF will also reduce the margin paid over to the SDR interest rate and the time-based surcharge rate and increase the borrowing thresholds above which level-based surcharges and commitment fees apply. Now, these charges will take effect on November 1, 2024. The Caribbean Development Bank is getting set to launch the 11th cycle of its Special Development Fund, SDF. The fund provides essential financial resources for projects aimed at poverty reduction, resilience building, environmental sustainability, private sector development, and institutional capacity building. Since its establishment, the fund has facilitated over $2.1 billion in financing for the Caribbean.